At Galpin Ford, your safety and well-being is our #1 priority.
Thank you for calling Galpin Service. How may I direct your call?
We're making a conscious effort to ensure the safety of our employees and customers during this time. We'll be disinfecting customer vehicles with our electrostatic sanitizing mister, as well as taking additional safety cleaning measures. When we're done sanitizing your vehicle, we'll be covering your steering wheel, seats, and key in plastic to minimize contact. And you can still enjoy a meal from the horseless carriage while you wait. Upon exit and entry of our service department, every vehicle goes through our sanitizing station. You'll be taken care of free of charge. AC vents, the dashboard, seats, and carpeting can quickly accumulate dirt and debris. This atomized dense fog treats high-touch and hard-to-reach surfaces. If you'd like to schedule service, visit us at galpinford.com or give us a call at 888-734-1277. At Galpin Ford, we know that it's the little things that are going to help us get through this. From our family to yours, we'll be here for you.